Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a sunburst granny square. It's colorful, relaxing, easy to make, and super versatile for any project. Let's get started. Let's start with round 1. Make a magic ring, chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. Then make 15 double crochet stitches into the ring. You should have a total of 16 double crochet stitches, including the chain 3. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Fasten off and cut the yarn. For the next rounds, we'll be working into the spaces between the stitches or clusters, not into the tops of the stitches. Round 2. Join a new color with a standing 2 double crochet cluster. Put a slip knot on your hook, yarn over, insert into the space, then pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat once in the same space. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Chain 1, then make a 2 double crochet cluster in the next space. Repeat, chain 1, 2 double crochet cluster in each space around. You should have 16 clusters in total. Chain 1, join with a slip stitch to the first cluster. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Round 3. Join a new color with a standing 3 double crochet cluster in any space between the clusters. This time, walk 3 partial double crochets into the same space. Then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. Chain 2, then make a 3 double crochet cluster in the next space. Repeat, chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster in each space around. You should have 16 clusters in total. Chain 2, join with a slip stitch to the first cluster. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Round 4. Join a new color with a standing 4 double crochet cluster in any space between the clusters. This time, work 4 partial double crochets into the same space. Then yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. Chain 3, then make a 4 double crochet cluster in the next space. Repeat chain 3, 4 double crochet cluster in each space around. You should have 16 clusters in total. Chain 3, join with a slip stitch to the first cluster. Fasten off and cut the yarn. Round 5, squaring round. Join a new color in any space. Make 3 treble crochets. Chain 3, and 3 treble crochets in the same space. This forms a corner. In the next spaces, make 3 double crochets. Three half double crochets. And 3 double crochets. Repeat this pattern around to form a square. Join with a slip stitch to the first treble crochet. Round 6's border. Using the same color, chain 1 and make single crochet stitches all around. In each corner chain 3 space, make 3 single crochets. Finish with an invisible join. And that's it, your Sunburst granny square is done. I hope you had fun making it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. See you next time.